Welcome to the transformative journey of spiritual awakening, a course on waking up. This course is designed to guide you toward discovering your true essence and unraveling the infinite potential within you. In this exploration of self and spirit, you'll encounter a new perspective, leading to a deeper connection with your authentic self and a broader understanding of your place in the world. The concept of spiritual awakening, often mystified and elusive, is demystified in this course. We begin by comprehensively exploring what spiritual awakening means, its signs, symptoms, and impacts, and how it has the potential to transform your perspectives and experiences. We acknowledge that spiritual awakening is not a one-size-fits-all experience, but a deeply personal journey that varies for each individual. As we delve into spiritual awakening, we also acknowledge the richness of our diverse world and draw upon the wisdom and teachings of various philosophical and religious traditions. From Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity to indigenous spiritualities, you'll get a chance to understand how different cultures and traditions view and experience spiritual awakening. This interfaith approach provides a balanced and inclusive understanding, inviting you to explore and find resonance with the traditions and practices that speak to you. Recognizing that the journey towards awakening begins with self-awareness, this course encourages introspection. You'll develop tools for self-assessment, learning to identify where you currently stand on your spiritual path and discern the areas where growth and awakening might be needed. This personal reflection fosters authenticity and vulnerability, integral facets of the spiritual awakening journey. Mindfulness and presence form the core of this course. In a world buzzing with distractions, learning to center yourself in the present moment is a priceless skill. Through various mindfulness practices, you'll cultivate a heightened awareness of the here and now, learning to appreciate the beauty and teachings inherent in each moment. We'll also journey into the peaceful realm of meditation. As an integral tool for spiritual awakening, you'll learn various meditation techniques, understanding their unique benefits and applications. You'll be encouraged to incorporate a regular meditation practice into your routine, fostering a deep connection with your innermost self. While we explore the mental and spiritual dimensions of awakening, this course also emphasizes the physical aspect. Recognizing the intrinsic connection between body and spirit, we delve into how physical health influences spiritual well-being. We'll discuss the role of diet, exercise, and sleep in spiritual wellness, inspiring a holistic approach to your health. Emotional intelligence is another key element of this course. You'll understand the role of emotional intelligence in spiritual growth, learning to navigate your emotional landscape with awareness and compassion. By enhancing self-regulation, empathy, and interpersonal skills, you'll foster meaningful connections with yourself and others. Life's challenges and transitions, often seen as roadblocks, are reframed in this course as catalysts for growth. You'll learn strategies to navigate these with resilience, transforming obstacles into opportunities for personal and spiritual evolution. Moreover, this course illuminates the interplay between individual spiritual awakening and broader societal and environmental concerns. It demonstrates how personal growth can contribute to social action, fostering a sense of global interconnectedness and responsibility. Finally, your journey culminates in the creation of a personalized plan for your spiritual awakening. Drawing upon the knowledge and practices you've gained throughout the course, you'll articulate your path towards awakening, allowing your unique spiritual blueprint to unfold. Whether you're a beginner on the spiritual path or a seasoned spiritual seeker, a professional aiming to incorporate spirituality into your practice, or someone navigating major life transitions, this course is designed for you. It presents a comprehensive, multifaceted approach to spiritual awakening, guiding you to peel back the layers of your consciousness and unveil your inner light. Embark on this transformative journey towards spiritual awakening. Experience the profound shifts that occur as you awaken to your true essence and unlock the infinite potential within you. Unveil your inner light today and step into a life of deep fulfillment, inner peace, and profound purpose. Your journey awaits.